The vice president and president are making stops in Wisconsin this week.
The Badger State is a battleground state for the upcoming presidential election. Our Eric Franke is live in Cudahy, where Vice President Mike Pence made a stop in the Milwaukee area today. Eric?
Charlotte and Mark, the vice president, left here about an hour and a half ago here from the 128th Refueling Wing in Cudahy, adjacent to Milwaukee's Mitchell International Airport. And it is a big week for the Trump campaign, with the president himself visiting northeastern Wisconsin later in the week and the vice president visiting the Milwaukee area today. And in his speech today, he really touched on some conservative issues that we've heard for years. The Faith in America tour, as he's calling it, clearly trying to reach evangelical voters, and also talking school choice. Part of that, a roundtable discussion at a Waukesha STEM Academy today with Education Secretary Betsy DeVos. But the pandemic continues to be a major concern for school districts and parents across the country. The vice president has been under fire a bit lately for overly rosy estimates about how the administration is handling things as it relates to COVID-19. Here's how he responded when I asked if the administration is getting out the right message, as numbers are still rising in dozens of states.
We've seen the fatalities declining very dramatically over the last several weeks. That's a tribute to our healthcare workers, but it's also a tribute to what every American has done. We have a ways to go, but the people of Wisconsin, I think, can be very confident that we're going to continue to move forward in a safe and responsible way. We really believe that.
So this was the vice president's second trip to Wisconsin in the last 60 days. You'll recall his trip to Madison to GE Healthcare in late April. And of course, we mentioned the president going to northeastern Wisconsin. He'll be in Green Bay and Marinette on Thursday. So now the question is, unlike Hillary Clinton 2016, will the Biden campaign try to step up and make some visits to Wisconsin ahead of the Democratic National Convention, which is slated for August? We shall see. Mark, Susan?